Hey, welcome again to my short video channel. My name is Muizzat Adejumoke Ibrahim. I am the director of Smart On Education Hub. It is a hub essentially dedicated to literacy, especially for preschoolers. It is a hub where we look into general academic performance, how to make you have excellent academic performance. You are welcome. Today we'll be looking at the the long the long word ooh. So did you know that UE, UI, and EW will all give you the sound ooh, ooh. Did I say ooh, ooh? So you have UE words that have the UE as ooh, sound as in blue. The pen is blue. You have clue. You have glue. You have tissue. You have rescue. You have okay. For the UI now, you have suit. You have fruit. You have juice. You have bruise. I had a bruise on my hand. I love a juice so much. My favorite fruit is banana. Alright. Still on the UI that sound ooh, you have cruise. We're going to have a cruise so in New York or wherever. Cruise. You also have flood. Water is a flood. Water is a flood. Then for the ones that have EW as ooh, you have do. You have do on top of the leaves very early in the morning especially. Then you have blew. I blew off the balloon. I blew off the dates off the shelf. Blew. They have chew. Chew. What can you chew? I can chew anything delicious. Anything delicious is okay for me to chew. They have grew. He already grew. Every day you grow. Yesterday you still grew. You grew up. You grew up so fast, right? Yeah. You were just a little child yesterday, but now you have grown so fast, so you grew, right? Then you have stew. Mommy made a delicious stew for me. Stew. Mommy, can you give me a little stew on my rice? I need some more stew on my rice, please. Then screw. 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 We use a screwdriver to screw the worn-out chair. Screw. Bye, and thank you for watching.